SJRC SG909 Max drone with 4K camera and 3-axis gimbal, redefine aerial photography. Experience the next level of aerial innovation with the SJRC SG909 Max, a high-performance drone engineered for precision, stability, and breathtaking visuals. Whether you're a professional photographer, seasoned drone pilot, or a hobbyist looking to elevate your content, the SG909 Max delivers cutting-edge features in a sleek, compact design. Stunning 4K UHD camera with 3-axis gimbal. Capture ultra-high-definition images and cinematic videos with the built-in 4K camera, enhanced by an advanced 3-axis mechanical gimbal. This powerful stabilization system ensures buttery smooth footage even in windy conditions or during fast movements, making every shot professionally sharp and blur-free. Obstacle avoidance technology. Fly with confidence thanks to the drone's intelligent obstacle avoidance system, which uses precision sensors to detect and avoid objects in real time. This added safety layer makes it ideal for both indoor and outdoor flights, perfect for beginners and experienced pilots alike. Wrench brushless motors for superior performance. Equipped with high-efficiency brushless motors, the SJRC SG909 Max provides a quieter, more powerful, and longer-lasting flight experience. These motors are designed to minimize wear and tear, ensuring reliable performance over time. Cell phone touchscreen FPV controller. Take full control of your drone with the intuitive touchscreen FPV remote, which offers real-time video transmission and simplified flight settings at your fingertips. The live FPV, first-person view, feed ensures you're always in the pilot's seat, giving you complete situational awareness during every flight. Wi-Fi and EIS, electronic image stabilization. Seamlessly connect your smartphone to the drone via Wi-Fi, enabling real-time video transfer and remote control from your device. Combined with ICE technology, you'll enjoy incredibly stable and smooth video quality, ideal for vlogging, travel content, or professional shoots. Advanced GPS positioning and intelligent flight modes. The SG909 Max features GPS-assisted flight, allowing precise hovering, one-key return, follow-me mode, waypoint flight, and orbit mode. These smart features make it easier than ever to create dynamic and creative aerial footage. Long flight time and foldable design. With a powerful modular battery, enjoy up to 25 minutes of continuous flight time. The drone's foldable, portable design means you can take it anywhere, from mountain hikes to beach vacations, without hassle. Whether you're filming epic landscapes, shooting real estate, or just exploring the skies for fun, the SJRC SG909 Max drone is your ultimate flying companion. Engineered for performance, built for creativity. Key features: 4K UHD camera with 3-axis mechanical gimbal, ICE plus obstacle avoidance technology, touchscreen FPV remote control, brushless motors for quiet and efficient flight, GPS plus intelligent flight modes, foldable and travel-friendly design, up to 25 minutes flight time. What's in the box? 1 SJRC SG909 Max drone, 1 touchscreen FPV remote controller, 1 4K camera with 3-axis gimbal, 1 rechargeable modular battery, 4 spare propellers, 1 USB charging cable, 1 user manual, optional carry case, depending on package. Why choose the SJRC SG909 Max? Professional-grade 4K camera and stabilization. Obstacle avoidance for safer flights. Real-time FPV video via touchscreen. GPS and smart flight modes. Foldable, portable, travel-ready. Up to 25 minutes flight time. Ideal for all levels. Beginner to expert. Affordable alternative to DJI without sacrificing features.